Rise and ground, folks. Question from the customer: are louver doors always necessary on mechanical rooms? The answer is you can't go wrong with putting louver doors in, but it really depends on the layout. Guys, this is a typical multi-family setup. We have three 90% gas furnaces. We also have three 80% water heaters with power vent kits going into the chimney. Guys, the purpose of the louver door is nothing more than to bring more makeup air into the mechanical room. Guys, remember, one of the three elements you need for proper combustion, whether it be a furnace or a water heater, is oxygen. You take away the oxygen, you're gonna have issues. So also, guys, I definitely would like to see fresh air intakes piped into these 90%ers, but as you see, we have a mechanical damper there bringing in fresh air. But guys, when in doubt, I always like to put louver doors in. Peace out.